Good morning, Gold Silver Standard community, and welcome to Charts, where I analyse the crypto markets and provide actionable recommendations 5 days a week using my proven trend following strategy. I then go a step further and dollar cost average into my portfolio, buying some of my favourite chart of the day in real time so you can follow along. You get to see my entire process and actual performance. It doesn't get any more transparent than that. The current portfolio is on the screen right now, and at the end of the video I will make today's adjustments, so keep watching to see what they are. Let's jump straight in with Bitcoin. The all-in-one is indicating a downtrend, the ribbon up trend, the momentum wave down, and the money flow up. Because we have two uptrend indications with the money wave and the ribbon, and we have two down recommendations with the all-in-one and the momentum wave. In that situation we have a tie, but whenever we have a tie, and you'll see this probably happen multiple times today, we just retain the previous recommendation. So the previous recommendation for Bitcoin yesterday was a buy, so in that situation we stay with the status quo, and today therefore Bitcoin remains a buy recommendation as it was yesterday. So pay attention to that. We'll keep that same methodology as we go through the rest of the charts as well. Okay, moving straight on now to Ethereum. All-in-one down. We have the ribbon with an uptrend, momentum wave down, and the money flow up. 2 and 2 again, maintaining yesterday's recommendation of a buy for Ethereum. Binance Coin, all-in-one down trend, ribbon up, momentum wave down, and money flow up. 2 and 2. Yesterday was an up recommendation or buy recommendation, so we maintain that buy recommendation for Binance Coin today. Moving on to Cardano. I think we see the same situation here again. We do. All-in-one down, ribbon up, momentum down, and money flow up. So we retain the buy recommendation for Cardano. XRP, last of our top 5. All-in-one, we have a new down trend forming here. The ribbon very flat but up. The momentum wave down, and the money flow up. 2 and 2 again, exactly the same as yesterday. Retain a buy recommendation for XRP. So XRP, that's the end of our top 5 based on market cap. So from there, each day we look at any requests or any that exist already in the portfolio. So I have been looking at, because we're just starting this, obviously I don't have any requests yet from people who are wanting to see different coins. So I'm looking at ones that I'm interested in, and that is Cronos and VVS. So I'll just pull up Cronos. Okay, so on the all-in-one for Cronos we have a downtrend indication, the ribbon up, momentum wave down, and the money flow up. Cronos was a buy recommendation yesterday, and we'll retain that buy recommendation today. VVS, to finish up, we have a downtrend on the all-in-one, up, quite compressed, but looking not too bad actually on the ribbon, down on the momentum wave, and up on the money flow. Now that I've completed the analysis, it's time to take action. Firstly, I sell any crypto I should no longer be holding based on any new sell recommendations. So we didn't have any today, and plus I only have one trade so far in the portfolio, and that is with Bitcoin, the one that I did yesterday. So then I select my favorite chart for the day to buy and dollar cost average 1% of the current portfolio balance into the live portfolio. And the chart I am choosing today is going to actually be Cronos. So let's have a look at that. Okay, the reason I'm choosing the Cronos chart as my chart of the day is really because if you look, and I draw it on here, we have really from current prices, just to get back to, well, probably even if we went these lows back here, to get it back here, we're talking about 165, 166% return. So probably the largest we can see of the charts that we have there today, while even on the downside, just down to these lows, probably talking about a 30% say drawdown. So let's look at other figures. If we were moving up here 15%, even with just that small move to get to those lows, this low up here would be almost a double. So, you know, just, well, if we moved it to the bottom of those candles, we're talking probably nearly 100% gain just in that sort of move. So I'm quite happy to dollar cost average a little bit of a buy in here, because I think the upside quite significantly outweighs the downside. So might not be the strongest of signals, because remembering here we have we do have a down trend indication on the all-in-one and the momentum wave, but I'll just remove that. I'm actually quite happy with where we are in this situation, having really that level of compression, because it might break down, but if it breaks down, we're not really worried about that, because it won't take very long for me to be out of the position entirely. So remember, if it breaks down here, then we'll end up with that sell recommendation, and I'll close, or I'll get rid of the Cronos that I buy. But if it takes off, well, we potentially are dollar cost averaging at a really great time, really great entry down here, and we'll be able to continue building that up all the way on the run, hopefully to that, 100% plus sort of gains. All right, so 1% of my current balance would be approximately $100. So that's how much CRO I will buy right now. This is the model portfolio that started yesterday with a $10,000 balance. And you'll be able to go back through in the future all of these videos to see every trade made since then that got the portfolio to where it is today. I recommend buying your crypto if you were looking at buying potentially some Cronos, from Ainslie Wealth for a no-fuss, secure and personalized service. It's the perfect way to get involved if you're new to crypto investing and would like some help from a real person, or if you're looking for higher value purchases or sales and want to deal with a trusted broker directly. You can contact Ainslie Wealth for more information in Brisbane, Melbourne, or online at ainsliewealth.com.au. I'll be back the same time tomorrow to check in on how the portfolio is going and for the next update. Thanks for watching.